Prentice Wobber's pre-way stove right here. We got a little bit of Crisco, and we got the Milspec. So let's light up the Milspec. I already pumped it up. I'm gonna just crank it a little bit here. All right. Let's let it warm up for a second there. Well, it's doing that. Let's go ahead and get this thing to light up. So if it's kind of, it's up or down. I think it's okay. So let's go ahead and, there we go. Give that a second there. Meantime, let's go ahead and see if we can there we go. All right, we're lit up. This guy is still warming up a little bit. All right, welcome back. I've added a can of tomatoes and I've added some asparagus because I had some asparagus, but it still is not very lively. Even though I put that cowboy butter in there, I didn't put very much. So what I always recommend is a little bit of adobo. Adobo has a nice salty flavor and it really kind of spoofs things up. So what I recommend is a little adobo. A little bit of coriander. Coriander has a nice flavor. It's not one of your typical spices, but it's a real good one to add to things, give it a unique flavor. And then always some white pepper, that just gives that little oomph to it. Always some white pepper, that just gives that little oomph to it. Throw some of that in there, that really kind of kicks it in. It almost makes it a little bit more like a chili. And a little MSG is pretty good. Okay. Now, this is what we're doing. Your chili, it just blends everything together, so it's really good. It's got that nice, a little bit of saltiness, a couple other little flavors with that coriander, a little bit of adobo and everything. It just all blended in. It came out really good. And as you can see, like when you're camping or something, sometimes you just have to, you know, be creative. So anyway, we're gonna shut down. Is you gotta tie it in with your chili powder and a bunch of other spices. Corn's really good. That one's a really nice one, especially if you want to sweeten it up a little bit. But anyway, thank you so much for following along, and God bless. Take care.